Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced a rupees 1,70,000 crore relief package for the poor. One set of measures by the government is direct cash transfer and another set of measures is food security. Also, Nirmala Sitharaman announced a rupees 50 lakh per person medical insurance cover for essential service providers, including doctors. Congress President Sonia Gandhi today wrote to the Prime Minister supporting the 21-day national lockdown as a welcome step. She said the Congress will support and collaborate fully with every step taken by the Union government. She also suggested economic and health measures in the fight against the coronavirus. The Delhi government has announced that online service providers, e-retailers delivering essential services and goods will be allowed passage during the lockdown. All essential services shops are permitted to remain open 24 hours so that there is no rush of people. Meanwhile, Gurugram police have also issued a list of exemptions for services that provide technical assistance for maintenance of households and buildings. After a Northeast Delhi located Mohalla clinic's doctor tested positive for the COVID-19, the Delhi government has clarified that these affordable clinics will remain operational. The doctor reportedly came in contact with a woman with travel history to Saudi Arabia. 800 contacts of the doctor have also now been quarantined. The government has stepped in after several reports on the first day of the 3-week lockdown that several online and offline retailers delivering essential supplies were stopped. Even goods trains ferrying essentials like fruits and vegetables and milk came to a halt. The Ministry of Home Affairs has asked states and union territories to issue standard operating protocols and helplines and put in charge nodal officers to ensure the supply of essentials. Indian Railways has stepped up efforts to contribute to the fight against COVID-19. The Railways is racing to build isolation wards in trains for rural and remote areas, and manufacturing of ventilators in its factories are also at the top of the agenda for the Indian Railways right now. Kashmir reported its first deaths linked to the COVID-19 virus today, a 65-year-old man from Haidarpora village. 4 of his contacts have also tested positive. Apprehensions are growing in Kashmir over the spread of COVID-19 as many people are reportedly concealing their travel history. Meanwhile, the total number of confirmed cases in India have crossed 600 and 13 deaths have been reported so far.